Now it's time for the Honor 9N. Now I've already told you the three things that really make this one stand out. In its category, it may well be the best looking phone because if you really look at it, thin, slim, very, very nice colors, some like I told you last time, very exotically named colors like the robin blue, the robin egg blue in fact. This one I have, of course, is the normal blue one, a fingerprint scanner at the back, dual camera, as far away as possible from the fingerprint scanner, so you will not be rubbing the camera for any reasons whatsoever. Flip it around to the front and, of course, is the notch screen. Now, they've been able to use more real estate on the screen, so it's not a claustrophobic notch for sure. So the bezels are as small as they really can be. Very nicely put together phone in terms of the hand feel and great optics. And then they went and priced it around 11,000 rupees. So in its category, this now is becoming a very exciting phone. But here then is our very detailed hands-on Selguru review.
Honor is throwing the gauntlet down yet again to their competition with the launch of the new Honor 9N. Priced at a starting price of 11,999 rupees, does this phone notch things up? Let's take a look. On the design front, the Honor 9N is simply a stunner. It does look similar to the Honor 10 on first glance, and it does have a premium feel to it. The build is nice and strong, and it has a shimmery all-glass back. We got the sapphire blue variant for review, but the phone does come in other lovely colors like a robin egg blue, lavender purple and midnight black. The phone has a good grip and a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus screen, and it even has the notch. The display is bright with rich colors. This combined with the design makes this phone look premium and stand out.
So what we did with the 9N is we retained some of the most winning essence of the phone, but we made sure to put in 19:9, a big display, very crisp, very bright. We ensured to put in a 16 megapixel selfie, a pretty large lens to give you really good selfies, and most of all, refreshingly new colors.
Taking a deeper look at the phone, the UI is slick and we didn't face any lag. The Honor 9N runs on Android Oreo 8 and is powered by a Kirin 659 chipset, which is not the latest in their series, but it does get the job done. The Honor 9N packs in a game suite which can give gamers an uninterrupted gaming experience. The phone is backed by a 3000 mAh battery with which you will be able to run your day smoothly. The phone does not support fast charging, and that is something we miss. But unlocking the phone is a breeze. The fingerprint scanner is located at the back and it's fast. The phone comes with Smart Face Unlock, which works well too. In terms of optics, the phone has a dual camera setup at the back with a 13 and 2 megapixel lens. The bokeh effect is impressive, and unlike other phones, it can be adjusted before clicking a picture. The front camera takes the cake with a 16 megapixel lens, and it gives great shots. The 3GB RAM variant with 32GB of storage is priced at 11,999 rupees, while the top variant, which has a 4GB RAM and 128GB of storage, is priced at 17,999 rupees. The Selguru review: the Honor 9N is impressive on many fronts, but the best part is that it looks and feels like a premium phone and even performs like one, while only being priced at the starting price of 11,999 rupees. Overall, it is a good value for money phone and can give its competition like Xiaomi a tough fight in this segment.